7 rules to be happy in life. Number 1, never hate. Hate only hurts you in the end. Let go of anger and choose forgiveness. It sets your heart free. 2, don't worry. Worrying doesn't fix anything. Do your best, then let life unfold. Trust that things will work out. 3, live a simple life. The more you chase, the more you stress. Focus on what really matters: peace, love, and the people close to you. 4, expect a little. Keep your expectations low and you'll be less disappointed. Appreciate whatever life gives you, big or small. 5, give a lot. Be generous with your time, your kindness, and your love. Giving makes your heart richer, not poorer. 6, always smile. A smile costs nothing. It can brighten your day and someone else's too. Stay lighthearted. 7, keep in touch with God. Stay connected to your faith. In quiet moments, talk to God.